problem. The metabolic disorders. Normally, you remember, I used to say metabolic stress is the gastrointestinal metabolism. That also reason when the person having the nausea, vomiting, or some kind of this stress which is connected to the abdomen. When the gut related problem is there, when the abdomen is acidity, that means excessive secretion of the HCl, and also there is the acid reflux is upward direction is flaresome, or the nausea, or sometimes is a bloating of the stomach, right? That is the gastritis, inflammation of the gastric mucosa. All are main reason to cause the diabetes mellitus generally, because when the abdomen get affected, then the pancreas also affected, spleen also affected, stomach also affected, intestine also affected, kidneys also affected, liver also affected, gallbladder also affected. All are reason to cause the diabetes mellitus. So therefore abdominal system is very much essential. If our abdomen is good, then your head also good, then pancreas also good, then the lower portion kidneys also good. If this get disturbances, even today, how the Rantac and Zintac, ranitidine medicine, are selling in the pharmacies like a hot cakes. The whole boxes people will buy. I need the 10 strips, 5 strips of the tablet. They take to home. Every day they take one pill, like a cake they are eating. They are like a sweet they are taking, or they are food like a taking. Before they wanted to go to any function, they take one tablet first. Even now superior medicine. What is medicine? Pantoprazole, omeprazole, nexprazole, right? So they are taking the superior omeprazole, something like that is the superior molecules they are taking. That has been gone. Pan 20 or the omes. So now they required as a instant relief of the abdomen. But all are, this is medicines required in emergencies. There are the few lifelines are there. 1 lifeline, 2 lifeline, 3 lifeline, 4 lifeline. How the Karorpati says is the Amitabh Bachchan. So first lifeline is what is required. You wanted to accept, take it lifeline, you just use it. But it's my observation, the first lifeline to be taken for the rather than taking the proton pump inhibitors or histamine H2 receptor antagonist. So people consume medicines, that to be avoided, first to be avoided. Even I remembered the people who are the holistic people before, the sadhus, Agasthyar, right, messengers, or the divine people, who are the old people, our forefathers, foremothers. They are the, before they don't take any medicine. Anything is there that followed with the kitchen medicines, right? So immediately they go to that kitchen, and then what is there? Clove is there, ginger is there, garlic is there, cinnamon is there, turmeric is there. Immediately they try to find out some solution, and they will boil and do. Then they will consume that to regulate the body system, or they hydrate the body, or they take the abundantly rest to the body, they heal themselves. Yes or no? But these days started all the time is the medicine. Medicine is really required, but use it. But first helpline to be taken with the naturally. Naturally, not required. Acupuncture also, immediately you go for the acupuncture. Now gastric problem is there, apply stomach 45, then rubbish thing you just consume again, then again you are using the same tablet P6, and then stomach 45 for the GIT problem. Why we wanted to use it? Yes or no? What is required? Fasting is required. Fasting, I am telling you, is the, even in Islamic and other religion, Hindu, that's called as a Ekadasi, right? Ekadasi, you to have the fasting. In the Islam, Ramzan having the fasting. In the Christian, they have the fastings, right? In the Jainism, they have the position fasting. Every religion having the fasting. Fasting is not to connect to only the Almighty. You don't think that you are the fasting you are keeping, that's good for Allah said, or the God is said to keep the fasting for him purpose. Certainly not. Whatever he thinks for ourselves first and then later for him, which you can take it however you want. But this is one way fasting is good for. First reason is good for our health. Remember, fasting is the purification, purity of our health. Even I have heard about that long back. Around 21 days you keep the fasting morning to evening. That will be really helpful. You can eradicate to the cancer as well. This is the scientifically has been proven. But during the Ramzan, we have the fasting in the month of the ninth month of the Islamic. But however, this is in the March. But there are the sun waves. There are scientifically proven. I'm not very clear about it. But the rays are coming from the sun light, that rays are coming to the universal. But in this particular period, still exploration is required. So this period or this month taking the food is not good to the human system. That still you people try to find out what is the cosmic level understanding about the during this particular month, what the sun rays is producing, is it good or is it harmful to the body system. Try to find out why we wanted to avoid during this Ramzan as well. So however, the fasting will be metabolism. What I mean to say, whenever you feel the abdominal pain, you have the stomach pain, suddenly you go the dicyclomine hydrochloride tablet, you take with the medicine and then you suppress that. Otherwise you take some more molecule, you suppress that. But is not required. What the body is giving, you made a mistake. What mistake? Certain there is the intake of the mistake you have done during the abdominal pain. Try to relax, don't consume anything, allow them to do the function abdominally. That's good for our abdomen without taking any hard food. If at all required, consume only the liquid food, or you just take the honey. Honey is the beautifully produced by the honey bee. So honey bee therapy also is there. The honey bee sting, that also there is some kind of the therapy is there, that's called as a Arabic medicine. But in fact, in that way, honey also having the flower medicine, that will give the inducement to the body system to calm down. Right? So therefore many philosophies are there. When you feel hungry, that time you are doing the cleansing to your body system. You are detoxifying your body system. You are rejuvenating your body system.